Jess and I are here at lunchtime in the middle of the day. We're gonna do SkinPen on Jess today. And it is actually one of my favorite procedures. So it's microneedling without the radiofrequency energy delivery. Really great just for texture, helps with fine lines. It does all the things microneedling does. So builds collagen, builds elastin, helps blood flow, improves texture of the skin, pore size, tightening, all those things, just not quite as big of a bang as the Morpheus makes. So we're here on our lunch break so we can get these things done. And what that also means though is that it's minimal downtime. So Jess will likely be a little bit red, a little bit pink today as she sees patients in the afternoon, and she should recover pretty quickly before she starts seeing patients again tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. She's got some numbing cream on that she's had on for what, 20-30 minutes probably. It's not uncomfortable. We'll get started.
I literally can't feel my face when I'm with you.
All right, so we are ready to start her SkinPen. I've got her cleaned off and sterilized. Each treatment with the SkinPen is customizable. We can change the depths with the little device right here, and you can see those are the little needles. There's 12, right? Yeah, 12 of them. So this is on a like a piston, right? So it'll go kind of in and out. So it looks like this, and then we change the depth for them to go deeper in the skin versus more shallow, depending on which part of the face and how the integrity of her tissue.
And the deeper you go is more for like scarring, especially acne scarring.
Yeah.
So that's when you would want to go a lot deeper.
Yep. Which she doesn't have a lot of. So yeah. And then what we use kind of a lubricant to, it's called Lift by SkinFuse, and it is to help kind of let the device glide a little bit easier across her skin. So we'll go ahead and get started. SkinPen's actually a pretty quick procedure after the numbing and all that. Once you get the skin prepped and ready to go, it doesn't take us a long time. Okay.
Oh yeah. Can't feel a thing.
So she's really, really numb. And you can tell I'm not getting a lot of, a little bit pink, but not super bad. So I'm actually gonna go up a little bit. Jess has great thickness and great tissue integrity. So I'm gonna go up a little bit, meaning I'm just gonna go a little bit deeper. And we're just creating those little micro injuries, micro wounds. I'm barely putting any pressure on the skin. I'm letting the needles do all the work. Got some areas that are teeny tiny kind of pinpoint bleeding. That's totally normal. You can see back where I've done this cheek and I've gone to do the left cheek. So I just want to show you here these little areas, like I said, of pinpoint bleeding, totally normal. But this will all this kind of pink redness will calm down. She's coming up very well, meaning her skin is reacting very well to the treatment. So this should be a beautiful result. Doobie Brothers. Josh may be on this today. No.
Well, it's kind of like looking at my...
What's also nice about SkinPen is that the tip is so small. It's what, like less than a dime. So we can really kind of get in these areas where we have a little bit more limitation sometimes with the Morpheus. One of her areas of concern is the marionette lines, what we get kind of at the downturn of our corners of our mouth. So I'm going to really kind of focus some treatment on that to stimulate the collagen and plump those areas back up.
That tickles.
Tickly.
No, it tickles. Sorry, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay.
So this is some of the calming complex that we use. Clean her up a little bit, but it also helps to obviously calm down the inflammation a little bit, the redness.
So immediately post-procedure, it feels kind of like a sunburn, like aloe going on my sunburn.
So immediately post-procedure, she's a little bit red. Turn a little bit for me.
She doesn't look too, oh no, okay, that just got
A little red, but it'll calm down. And you will see her post-SkinPen glow.
So excited. So I just wanted to hop on here and show you all kind of what it looks like 7 hours post-procedure. So you can still see a little bit of the redness. It does feel like a slight sunburn, but I also want to show you the best kept secret. This stuff by SkinCeuticals, you can see I just took it out of my fridge. I'm going to apply this to my face to help with some of the redness, but also just the burn. This is fabulous for any sunburn that you may get, which we obviously don't recommend, but it's great for any sunburns that you may get this summer. So I highly recommend this. I'm just going to take it and spray it on. And it already feels so much better.